Now we're going to talk about the ingredients and the equipment you need to make sausage stuffed mushrooms. Here are the ingredients. I have some cremini mushrooms. These are nice and big, and I've rinsed them and I'm just patting them dry. Okay. I have some butter and some sliced red onion that I'm going to saute for the filling. Also for the filling is some sweet Italian pork sausage. And after we saute the onions and the sausage, we're going to add breadcrumbs and sour cream and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. The equipment you'll need are just a nice basic skillet and a baking sheet. This is a small baking sheet that I've covered with foil, and I'm going to spray it a little bit so that the mushrooms don't stick. And I'm going to bake the mushrooms, and then I'm going to bake them after they're stuffed too. And both of those things can happen on this one sheet. And I have a couple of paring knives because we're going to have to clean our mushrooms, and just a wooden spoon so we can stir our stuffing together. When we come back, we're going to clean and par bake our mushrooms.